Angry customers always try to ruin my business's reputation by leaving hate comments on my ads and on my Facebook and Instagram pages. It is so important to block out the hate and all the bad comments so that your ads can perform well in Excel and your brand's reputation is not ruined. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can block out all of these hater comments on your Facebook and Instagram page so you can have a successful Shopify store and a good brand reputation. Like this video, guys, if it helps you out, and definitely subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be dropping value every single week like I already am. And if you're interested in scaling Facebook ads, like if you're having trouble or you just want to hit that next level with it, I have the full blueprint that is really changing my students' lives. It's getting them 10K a month, 20K a month, and even 40K a month that we have seen so far. And you get my one-on-one coaching along with it. All you got to do is just hit me up. The contact details are in the description, or you can click the link down below and we can see how we can help change your life too. The way we're gonna stop these mother effers from hating on your brand is by setting up automatic comment moderation. If customers have bad experiences with your brand, maybe like 1 in 100, customers are just gonna trash your reputation, and you can't really stop it from happening until you set this up. So it's really cool. We are going to block out these haters from the comment section, and it's a feature within Facebook and Instagram that allow you to automatically block out and hide unwanted comments, most likely by your angry customers. It's gonna be able to help filter bad reviews, hate, and whatever else. So the keywords we're gonna block are things like scam, scammer, scammers, China, from China. So you can pause this, write all of these down, and then you can copy and paste these into the automatic comment moderation section. And I even have a cheat sheet that I'm gonna attach in this video. I'll probably pin it in a comment with this YouTube video. So this is how we're gonna set up our automatic comment moderation so haters can't get our brand reputation looking like trash. So for Facebook, just go to your Facebook settings and you're gonna hit edit comment moderation and add in your keywords. But I think it's a little different since Facebook updated. So let me show you in the actual Facebook page. So you're in your Facebook page. I'm gonna click on manage it, and then we're gonna look for, it looks like this, moderation assist. If any one of these criteria is met, the comment will be auto hidden. So this looks like the right thing. And what we wanna do is add something. Start with one criteria, add more later. What kind of comment moderation should we assist? We're gonna do keywords in the comments, and what we're gonna do is just add in all of these keywords that you see here into the automatic comment moderation, and we're gonna separate them by commas. We are going to add them in. Just hit enter, I guess, and then I hit back and you could see that they all save. Add to moderation assist. Okay, cool. We just added all of those keywords that we just blocked from haters commenting that under your posts, under your ads. Now, for example, if somebody comments disappointed under your ad, that's automatically going to be hidden and people cannot see this. If someone comments this product sucks and we have the keywords to block this product sucks, that's going to be hidden from other customers and they cannot see that on your ad and on your Facebook and Instagram page. So now you want to go ahead to Instagram and you want to do the same exact thing. Go on your mobile phone, go to Instagram settings. I'm pretty sure it's in privacy, hidden words. You're going to manage the list and add in these keywords to block those comments as well. Just go through all your Instagram settings and you should find it. If you don't find it in the first minute, just try a little harder. So for an action item, guys, just add the keywords into your Facebook and Instagram page in the comment moderation section so that we can block out the haters and get more sales with Shopify and have a better brand reputation. Also, add any additional keywords if needed. If it pertains to your situation and your brand, you have specific keywords that you want to block, competitors' names that you want to leave out, just add them into the keyword list and you should be good to go. So if this video helped you out, guys, drop me a like, subscribe to the channel. I drop heat all the time, dropping new videos every single week. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, if you're an intermediate and you're already getting numbers with Facebook ads. If you want to scale your Facebook ads and do better and maximize your results and learn my inner secrets of my Facebook blueprint, just hit me up down below. Send me a message on my Instagram or on email, or you can click the link in the bio and you can read all about my program and you get one-on-one support, literally face-to-face. We hop on calls and I teach you and mentor you throughout the whole program. So if you are interested in that, hit me up, guys. I hope you loved the video. If you have any questions about anything, leave one down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But I will see you in the next one. All right. Love you guys. Peace.